we are going to talk about the move and the present drop in business. There has also been a crypto hack, which is very worrying. You should know about the risks that come with Visa and Tangelo. What do people who are bullish on Bitcoin want? So without further ado, sit back and relax, things we need to do and things we want to talk about. It's time to begin. A young man from Bitcoin has lost a lot of money. The previous day, Ethereum lost 6%, or $61,500, and finished at $3,313. This means that markdown is 5.23%. Both the USDT and USDC closed that we thought their dollar pegs would be real, but XRP is not. It's down 2.5%, which is a shame. It still has the miraculous purchase box that we showed you for 47 cents, which means we're getting close to the bottom of that range. Even though CryptoXRP has caused a lot of noise and silliness, this box has stayed stable for months after it ended. Is this the bottom? I'm giving up if not. We're almost there. I don't know when the bottom will be, but we told you to be ready for at least another 10 to 15% drop. We're almost at 6,500. 10% of 65 is minus 65, so the lowest number would be around 585. If those numbers are reached, I don't think we'll see a long time, so pick up a tissue. It will stay in the box as long as the close is less than $60,000. That's still the case though. Have a nice day. You can hear my dog huffing and puffing about what Bitcoin wants to do. He didn't want to take his medicine, so he just walked behind me. He's just walked behind me. He's just whining and yelling now and painting every morning around the house. Hello from the Rips family. I'm lucky that I have both coffee and espresso with me. The value of all cryptocurrencies on the market is $2 trillion, or $252 billion, with almost the end of the month past. There are more and more price reports in the cryptocurrency market as the last week of June approaches. A lot of people are interested in ADA and ETFs, which are new to the market. Analysts are trying to guess what the prices of these all gold coins might be in the short and long run. In particular, ETFs have been the best way to deal with ongoing pre-sales, and buyers are jumping at the chance to buy coins at a lower price. A lot of the time, cryptocurrency buyers buy low and sell high on ETF swaps in response to new market opportunities. The report says that XRP's main success has depended on how it handles its ongoing legal fight with the SEC and whether it wins in the end. On XRP, on the hand, people are feeling good. The CC has cut the planned fine from $2 billion to $102.6 million, but new information also shows that the company has to stop 3 partial was in court. Also, both XRP and Ripple insist on a limit of 10 million. What do you think took place? The SEC knew they were crazy, so they won't get $2 billion or more. They won't even get $100 million or more. 10 million Ripple is fine. Let's look at the places where we were able to settle unequal states last week. The way XRP's price has changed over time has been stable. Even though the market is very volatile, cryptocurrency is up on the weekly picture. There doesn't seem to be a clear trend toward buyers or sellers. Because of this, XRP kind of stopped moving. It says that buyers are looking to see if we can break through and have momentum that will push us to the top. The sellers aren't sure if they want to keep lowering the price until it's too low. They also think this could be the lowest price for XRP. They can't shorten it and drop it any further because they don't have enough money. At the moment, XRP is worth about 48 cents. Cardano, on the other hand, isn't doing as well compared to other big coins and investors, and there are signs that investors are selling in a panic. It's possible that we are finally moving on to other business options. Still, most people agree that ADA is one of the blockchain networks and regions that can grow more easily. Allow me to explain. When I was 8, this thing cost only a penny. In 2017, it was almost $3. It will be much more valuable to use ADA. It used to be only a penny to buy. I'm not going to lie. These rates look good. I'm putting ADA in my bags. If people keep an eye on DCA on these coins, it will go up during the bull cycle. Some people are so scared that they think they're dead and won't be able to move for a while. They recover, bounce back, and all of these tokens join the talk again after going around the corner and doing a quick 2x. Where are the talks that are still going on? It looks like these talks are happening on the Bitcoin network and are about coins. Ethereum spot ETF is almost ready to go live in less than 2 weeks. Because of a big science deal from JP Morgan, more Bitcoin investors are interested in the mining business. This is very interesting. Recent news says that Irish Energy is in the best situation to take advantage of the opportunities that AI brings for high-performance computing. People who want to invest in Bitcoin are entering the mining business. Core Science AI and Core Weave technology are becoming more and more popular to use together. Irish Energy is in the best situation to take advantage of the growing chance in HPC. Investors are becoming more aware of how important it is to have access to power and find other uses for mining infrastructure. From whom did we hear? Trump said he was ready to take office and promised that all Bitcoin would soon be made in the United States. He is ready to move the US cryptocurrency business forward, which would make a big difference. Now, if you don't already have a whiskey set, you have about 35 days left to take advantage of this special price, which is good for the next 7 days. Get them back. Anywhere in the world is free shipping. You can get free shipping anywhere in the world, and the package comes with everything you see in the picture, like the box, stones, bag tongs, and 2 personalized glasses. There are a lot of purchases going on in the air above. Traders are getting ready for the record high by buying a 4,000 call option. The positive flow of 4,000 calls that expire in September fits with the idea that volatility will rise. Why does this happen? It's simple. Everyone thinks that the ETF will come out in the first week of July. The CCs has pulled more tricks, and we already know it will come. We may get it before July 4th. There is a real Eastgate Part 2, so let's talk about the Tangelot right away to save time. Because Bitcoin and Visa are still causing a lot of trouble, the next show came out last night. This is really interesting. A leak, according to the report, says that cryptocurrency is ready for a big bid. Moving on from the Trump debate, some people think that President Biden might talk about how to regulate cryptocurrencies, which could cause Bitcoin, Ethereum, and XRP prices to drop in 3 days during his discussion. Well, the leak is set for Thursday, and it's now ready to go. It comes from a well-known Forbes writer and talks about the price of Bitcoin. Bitcoin's price has gone up from $15,000 per coin since the FTX event. The value of the cryptocurrency market went down in 2022. Wow. It's hard to believe that this happened in 2022. It went back up to its all-time high of $1.700, caused the prices of Ethereum and XRP to rise by more than 60% on the wider markets. So it will be good if it learns something or talks about cryptocurrency during this debate on Thursday. There's a good chance that this news will help the markets turn around substantially. We've talked about how the markets might turn around at this low point. We could expect another 10% to 50% drop. We are getting close to the highest point of those numbers, and I think they are starting to go down. We might see more red because time is running out. It's been 5 to 7% since I made that call. We are putting all of our time into action. I told you ahead of time that we might not be able to plan everything perfectly, but if we get close, we will be in charge this year. There will be no way to tell the difference between the costs shown on the screen. Skyrocket was one of the costs I let go. When the group talked, I added the word listen $5.20 zero, or takes away the best chance to buy. Could there be some spillage in this case? That could also be true, but do we really want to take a chance right now? Will Bitcoin really fall below $58,000, which is how much we'd have to pay? Paying close attention to this is important because it's having a lot of change right now. This thing went from being worthless to blowing up. From this point on, I thought about getting at least a 10x or 20x increase in value. We could look at a $100 bill and ask, do you want to know how to make money? Start by getting 15 or 20 cryptocurrencies. After that, you'll make 10 times as much on each of them. You will make a lot of money in this bull market, and it hasn't even started yet. Still, they're making you fall asleep. Are they planning to kick you out of these markets?